Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a new folder in ClickUp. It's very easy. We are here on our project. Okay, so you probably will have a view like this. Don't go ahead and click on this plus icon right here. Okay, you just end up creating a new project list. Don't go ahead and click on create space. What you need to do is click on spaces. So get this drop down, right? Now here next to team space, you see this plus icon? There you go. It says create folders, list, docs, and more. So click on this one next to team space. And now I want you to choose folder. Okay? And here you can name this folder, let's say videos. And you can use statuses if you want. You can set up these settings. So I'll come back here. We'll just inherit this from the default space. Okay? If you want to make it private, go ahead and toggle this on. Otherwise, it's okay. You can also use templates. I'll just go ahead and click on create just to show you. There you go. And we have created a new folder, as you can see. And it's really that easy and simple.